Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving the Excel file to OneDrive or a SharePoint folder so sharing is seamless. Once saved, make sure to inspect and remove hidden data that you don't want others to see. This prevents accidental leaks. Next, choose the permission level you intend to grant, edit, view only, or specific people, because this controls collaboration and versioning. These first steps set the foundation for safe, predictable sharing and avoid common rework later. Now create the share mechanism so recipients can access the workbook. Click File, then Share, select either Send to People or Get Link, and pick Edit or View depending on the permission you chose earlier. Make sure to adjust link options, allow editing, block download, set an expiration date, or restrict to your organization to control access. Once configured, enter recipients' emails or copy the generated link, add a short context message, and send. This ensures recipients get exactly the access you intended. Finish by verifying and managing access so collaboration stays under control. Go to File Info, then manage access to review who has edit or view rights. Change or revoke permissions when projects end. If someone reports they cannot edit, make sure they're signed into the same Microsoft account you shared with and that you granted edit rights. If links fail, reissue the link and confirm OneDrive or SharePoint has finished syncing and the recipient has network access. This solves most sharing hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.